Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation? Linear equations are the equations with just a plain variable like x or y rather than something more complicated parts like x square or x by y or square roots or cube roots. Linear equations are the simplest equations that one can deal with. Properties of an equation. If same quantity is added to both sides of the equation, the sums are equal. If same quantity is subtracted from both sides of an equation, the differences are equal. If both the sides of an equation are multiplied by the same quantity, the products are equal. If both the sides of an equation are divided by the same quantity, the quotients are equal. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 10. Over here, I will use the property subtracting. As we know, plus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 0. And we have to find out the value of x. So, we have to remove this minus from 4 plus 4 from here. So, if we add minus 4, it will become 0. So, we have to add both the sides. If we are adding anything or subtracting anything, we have to do on both the sides. So, over here to remove this plus 4, I am adding minus 4. Over here also LHS, RHS both same. So, on both the side we are adding minus 4. So, plus 4 and minus 4, we get 0. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. So, x is equal to 6. Same way, x minus y minus 6 is equal to 5. Over here it is minus 6. To remove this minus 6, I am adding 6. So, minus 6 and plus 6 becomes 0. And 5 plus 6 gives you 11. Shortcut method. In the equation, an added term is transposed from one side to another. Same question. If my question is x plus 4 is equal to 10. So, any number before equal side, if it is plus 4, when it goes that side, it becomes minus 4. The sign gets changed. So, it becomes minus 4. So, over here I am left with only x. So, x is equal to 10 minus 4 gives you 6. And if my minus sign is here, like y minus 6 is here. When it goes that side, RHS, it becomes plus 6. And when it is multiply and divide, again it is just the opposite. If it is multiplied, 3x means 3 into x. As it is into multiply, when it will change its side, it will become divide. So, 3x is equal to 12. So, x is equal to 12 divided by 3. And when it is divide, it will become multiply. In this question, it is y divided by 6. Y divided by 6 is equal to 4. So, when it is divide, it becomes multiply. So, y is equal to 4 into 6 gives you 24. So, what we have learned from here, children? When it is equal sign, plus 4 becomes minus, minus sign becomes plus. The transposed, when it is transposed, the sign gets changed. Plus and minus interchanges, and multiplication becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply. Now, examples where we will use more than one property. Over here it is plus 8. We have to remove this. This is one property. Over here it is multiply. So, two properties are there. So we have to use two properties. By transposing this plus 8, over here it goes and becomes minus 8. So 3x is equal to 14 minus 8 gives you 6. Next step, we have to remove this 3. As it is multiply, so we have to divide it now. So x is equal to 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. Next equation, 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. Now by transposing minus 3, when it comes to the RHS side, it is added, becomes plus. So 2a is equal to 8. Now 2a, as it is multiply, so now again we have to divide it. So a is equal to 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. Now solving an equation with variable on both the sides. When we have equation on both the side, 10y minus 3 is equal to 7y plus 9. What we have to do, children? We have to bring both the variable numbers together. So by transposing this 7y to the LHS side, this becomes, as it is plus 7y, so it will becomes minus 7y. 10y minus 7y is equal to 9 and it was minus 3. So when it comes this side, it becomes plus 3. So 10y minus 7y gives you 3y, 9 plus y gives you 12. Now next transposing, y is equal to 12 divided by 3 gives you 4 is your answer. Word problems. A number increased by 8 equal 15. A number. So what we will do? Let the number be x. First step, increase. Increase means add. So the number which we have kept x is increased by 8. So plus 8 equal means equal sign is equal to 15. So 15. So first thing we have to learn, read the statement properly and make equation. After making equation, we can do the transposing and find out the value of x. One more example. A number is decreased by 15 and the new number so obtained is multiplied by 5. A number, let the number be x, decreased by 15 minus 15. So while solving this x minus 15, whatever the new number is there, it means x minus 15 multiplied by 3. So this is multiplied by 3 and after solving this, the result is 81. So this gives you 81. X bracket x, 3 multiplied x minus 15 gives you 81. First remove the bracket and then find out the value of x by transposing. Thank you, children.